How to fix blue screen error on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. In my Samsung Z Fold 5, you can see the blue screen on the home screen or a background on your device. If your Samsung Fold or any Samsung device facing blue screen, green screen or any gray screen error, you can change it. To change it, go to settings on your device. Now scroll down up to accessibility, or you can search the color option here. Search the color, tap the search bar icon. Now scroll down, here you can find the color filter. Tap on the color filter on your device. Now here you can see the different option available for colors and clarity. So first of all, make sure default is set on your device. After that, tap on the color filter option at the bottom. Tap on. Now here you can see set blue, so you can see the black. Now when you select green, you can see the green screen on your Samsung device. So make sure toggle off these options to set back default Samsung Galaxy Z Fold screen on your device. Now you can see change the default Samsung theme on your device. So quite easy to fix screen color error on Samsung Z Fold 5 and other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.